I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your HP laptop meets minimum Forza Horizon 5 specs. 8 GB RAM, a DirectX 12 compatible GPU such as GTX 760 equivalent, and 50 GB free storage. Open the Xbox app or Microsoft Store, sign into your account, and purchase or install the Game Pass version. Claim any bundled content if applicable. Update Windows to the latest build, apply pending updates, and plug the laptop into power or ensure at least 20% battery before downloading the 50 GB installer to avoid interruptions. After installation, update your GPU driver to the latest WHQL or game-ready release from Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA to fix stutters and unlock optimizations. Set Windows Power Mode to high performance, disable background recording, and use an external cooling pad if your CPU or GPU temps exceed 85 degrees C during play. In the graphics control panel, choose maximum performance or 100% power scaling, and enable variable refresh rate only if your laptop display supports it to reduce tearing while maintaining steady frame pacing. Launch Forza Horizon 5 and begin with a 1080p resolution, medium shadows and textures, and reduce reflection and crowd density to target a steady 60 FPS on most HP laptops. If you experience input lag above 60 ms on Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection or use a gamepad. Many players find a controller gives smoother steering and braking. Remap keyboard or controller buttons so accelerate, brake, handbrake, and camera are on easy-to-reach keys. Enable auto clutch or assists like stability and braking aids if you prefer a forgiving driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.